looking back at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems.
Hello and welcome back to my home. Today I am starting off strong with just getting a load of laundry in so that when I am cleaning through the whole house, I feel extra accomplished. I love getting multiple things done and just having something go in the background, whether it is laundry, the dishwasher, or like my robot vacuum. I absolutely love it. It makes me feel so good. So I was just tidying the house up here before I had to go to work. And so my morning routine kind of consists of things like making my bed, emptying the dishwasher, running my robot vacuum, and all the things. So we're gonna get a lot done today, just tackling the mess within my home. And I hope that this video inspires you to get up and clean along with me. I'm also going to be sharing a really exciting update, so stay tuned for that. With all of that being said, I hope that you can get inspired and motivated today to get up and clean along with me. This was the mess in our kitchen after cooking breakfast. As you can see, things get a little hectic around here. This was actually filmed on, I think it was the first day back to school. And so it was just kind of the start of a new routine, and I do always want to make sure that my dishwasher is emptied. So I usually do this while I am cooking breakfast, but now that the girls are back in school, it is not possible to do that as I am now packing lunches. And so I think I've found a new routine that has been working for us over the last week here. If that is something that you would like to see, let me know down below and I can definitely film a back to school fall morning routine.
It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
There is only a few items that I like to wash by hand, and so we're just getting those done here. But I wanted to share a exciting update with you guys. We are so excited to announce that we bought a house, and so we are going to be moving, and I am just ecstatic to share all of the new house inspiration with you guys. I know you're probably gonna have a ton of questions, and so let me know down below if you do have any questions. But that is why I have a box here. I am just putting our old spice jars here in the container, and I'm going to use them for something else I think in the new house. And I did end up getting different spice jars, which I will share soon, because they were smaller and fit in the drawers and the other ones did not.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody.
I just got home from work and we are going to pick up where we last left off, wiping down the little side of the counter there, and then we're going to move through the whole house and just get everything nice and clean.
You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah.
So far, the most frequently asked question is, where are we moving? And so I am happy to say that we are honestly just moving closer to the beach. We are moving not far from where we currently are. We ended up finding a house that was just perfect for us. And yeah, so we are moving closer to the beach. Again, not far from where we currently are. We are staying in the same city. And we are just so excited for the location. The other question I keep getting is when, and so we are obviously currently in the process. As many of you know, we rented this house for almost 4 years now, over 4 years now. Holy cats, where does time go? And due to us renting, everything is happening very fast, as we wanted the earliest possession date that we could get. As you can see here in the background, I was actually watching Alexandra Buter's old moving video. I had just a bunch of moving and packing videos up to help keep me motivated. But with that being said, it is happening very fast and we move in a few short weeks. The other thing I want to mention is we are hoping to get, again, an earlier possession date so that we can do some work, as there is a lot of things that we want to do to the house. It is not like a brand new house or anything. It was actually built in the 60s. And so again, there is a ton of like DIY projects that I want to do, a ton of room makeovers that I want to do. And I am so excited to start bringing that home content and inspiration. Don't mind my messy writing here, by the way. But if that is something that you are interested in, following along the journey of like the room makeovers and DIY projects and things like that, I would love for you to join our growing YouTube family and hit that red subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out as a small creator. And yeah, let's go ahead and get these groceries unloaded so we can move through the rest of the house.
The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you.
Look what I got.
Pop it. Yeah.
Yep. I absolutely love these. I will have them linked down below.
Okay, actually would not.
You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out.
You just put it in there.
I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. How can you be trusted? Will you take me for credit?
Is this one yours or is the other one yours?
No, that's mine.
It is yours?
Yeah, I know. I paid too much money, but it's not.
Can we throw it out? The beads?
Beads.
It's okay.
But not that money. That money's actually mine.
Yeah, you'll have to put that.
I can't be this.
You're just so cute,
Oh
honey.
my.
What's in here? Anything?
No, chopsticks.
Do you guys want to keep these? Let's put some stuff in here.
I know, but I can't. I don't know shirt on.
Here. You can do it there.
I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready
Look.
to give you my heart.
Ta-da-da-da.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
I hope that you enjoyed the little behind the scenes and ASMR unboxing of our new spice jars that I absolutely love. They are perfect for the space. I actually purchased those prior to knowing we were buying a house, as again, it's all happening so fast. Which is why I am packing. This was not what I had planned for this video, but unfortunately this is our reality. I gotta get this house packed up. My husband is working a lot, and so I am doing it essentially by myself. And my oldest daughter really wanted to help out. She is just so thoughtful and wants to help alleviate some of the stress off of me. And so she is really wanting to help pack. She's constantly asking me, when can we pack again? Can you wait for me to pack? Because she's in school. And then eventually my youngest daughter popped in as well. And I also think it's just really important to allow them in on the packing process, as I am decluttering, organizing, and like sorting through every single piece an item in our home, and I think it's important to kind of just get it done and do it before we move. Like, why would I move all of this stuff that we don't need to a new house when I can just get rid of it now? And so I have been ruthlessly decluttering again, as well as selling a couple of things that are higher ticket items, and again trying to be very intentional about what is coming to the new house with us.
Tell me, do you want me and will you let me down? You told me that it wasn't right. I knew it first that time, and even if I was blind, and all those possibilities.
Holy Hannah, what a workout. I just went through our entire front entryway and ruthlessly decluttered again. I know I just did this in my Messy to Minimal series, but the girls have actually both grown since then, so there was a lot more that I was able to donate. I will show you, I have like a full box of shoes that I am going to be donating, which feels so good. And then other than the pair of shoes that we are currently wearing, as well as our rain boots, everything else is packed up. I have 2 small tubs, one of them for the girls and then one of them for my husband and I. I was taking photos of some of my husband's shoes and just sending them to him while he was at work, and he was telling me, yeah, keep, donate, whatever. And so it feels really good to kind of let it all go and not have to take all of this stuff during the move. So these are all of the shoes that we are going to be getting rid of. Now, I can't find the other boot of that, unfortunately. So yeah, we're gonna have to see what we're gonna do there. But I know my daughter is going to be quite upset about these ones. They are her favorite shoes, but they do not fit her. So I got to get rid of them. I can't. So I will allow her to help me through that process, as I never recommend just like throwing away other people's things. If you are overwhelmed in your home, start with your own stuff. Again, don't just throw away other people's things. I would be so mad if somebody just started like throwing away all of my things. And so I like to include, again, my husband when it's his stuff and the girls when it's their stuff in the decluttering process. And so while I have, you know, done it behind their back, so to speak, and I have decluttered and I've made separate piles, I'm still going to allow her to be part of the process and actually donating those shoes, so that she's not caught off guard when she tries and wears them, probably this weekend, because during school she has closed-toed shoes, but I know she'll want to wear them. And so yeah, we're just gonna have to say, you have to wear this other pair that is the right size, and I'll kind of explain why to her, and yeah, it'll all be fine. I think it's so important to just, again, include them in the process when you are minimizing and simplifying your home, when you're decluttering, and especially when you are going through their stuff. Okay, I think I'm going to end the video here. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and follow along as I take you through this process of moving and buying our new house and downsizing and all the things. I am really excited to share this journey with you guys as we live a more minimal lifestyle. So yeah, that's all I have for you. We will see you guys in my next video. Bye.